Okay, number 13, you're going to identify the parts of the exponential function. Just to remind you what the exponential function is. The exponential function is written as a parentheses b to the x. Okay, here we look at the a value. So the a value here is going to be 3.5. The b value here is going to be 1.05. Okay, so is this a growth? It is a growth, right? Because the b value here is greater than 1. Okay, so it is a growth, so we can write growth. What is the initial amount, which is the a value? So it's 3.5. Now we want to look for the growth factor, and we know that is growing by 1.05. That is the b value. The initial value is the a, growth factor is b, or decay factor. Now we want to look at a percentage. Here, right, we have 105, and then the baseline is a 1. This went up, growth, by how much? 0.05. But in a decimal, we move this over twice, it becomes 5%. Okay, let's do this one. A is equal to 2,500. B is 0.90. Okay, here we see it's a decay because it is the b value is less than 1. Okay. Then the initial amount, which is a, which is 2,500. Then the decay factor here is 0.90. To find the growth or decay percentage, we use the baseline of 10, of 1. Then it went down to 0.90. Okay, to do this, it went down by 0.10. Okay, this was its decay. So we move this over twice, 0.10. It is the same thing as 10%. So we can say this decayed by 10%. C, the A here, it is 400. The B here is 1.02. Here, the B is bigger than 1, so we can say it's a growth. Okay, the initial amount, it is 400. Here, this is a growth factor of 1.02. So the baseline is 1. It went up to 1.02. This went up how much? 0.02. Move over there twice. This becomes 2%. Okay, so there you go. That is how you identify the parts of an exponential function.